Hello friends, welcome to my school. Today we will see the importance of Nag Panchami festival. Nag Panchami is celebrated by Hindus in most parts of India. Nag Panchami is celebrated on Panchami in Shravan month. On this day, they worship Nag Devta. People go to temples and snake pits and they worship the snakes. Shiva temples are also favored places for veneration as snakes are considered dear to him. They offer milk and silver snake to protect them from all evils. They also fast on that day. Snakes are worshipped since Vedic eras as they protect crops from getting damaged by rats and other rodents. Snakes are also part of the Puranas. They took part in Sagar Manthan and is also worn by Shiva around his neck. The victory of Krishna over the Kaliya snake is also remembered on this day. For this reason, Krishna is known as Kaliya Mardan. The festival of Nag Panchami is celebrated because there is tremendous rainfall during the month of Shravan. Because of this, during this time, snakes often come out of their burrows because of rain that fills their burrows with water. They can kill humans to save themselves. To prevent this, the festival of Nag Panchami is celebrated. On this day, snakes are fed with milk. It is believed that snakes have a sharp memory and remember the faces of people who harm them. When the snakes avenge it, they also harm the family members of that person. So, to please them, serpents were worshipped on this day. It is said that on the day of Nag Panchami, do not put an iron pan on fire or cook food on iron pan on this day, or there may be great harm. It is said that on the day of Nag Panchami, the land should not be dug and at the same time greens should not be cut. Nag Panchami is considered highly auspicious and is one of the significant days in Hindu religion. Nag Panchami festival is observed by Hindus throughout India, Nepal and other countries where Hindu adherents live. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.